NextGenerationEU goes green for clean energy. It harnesses the power of nature, wind, solar and hydropower by increasing renewable energy capacity by more than 61 gigawatts across the EU. This is equivalent to the integration of more than 5,000 onshore wind turbines, expanding transmission and distribution grids with more than 10,000 kilometers of lines, enhancing large-scale electricity storage with 7 gigawatts of additional capacity. This could cover the electricity consumption of 2.5 million households for a day. Promoting investment, enabling green reforms, boosting renewable capacity enough to cover 40 million households. That's as many as all the households in Germany. NextGenerationEU improves energy efficiency. It pioneers green innovations and renovations, heating systems and digital energy controls in public and private buildings by increasing energy efficiency of more than 4 million dwellings and 419 million square meters. Installing more than 14 million smart meters for real-time energy monitoring, reducing energy consumption of 18 terawatt-hours per year. That's as much as Belgium's total electricity imports per year. NextGenerationEU. Temporary by design, long-lasting by results. Together, we go green.